Mia, here's your cookie. You eat it later, ha? I'll just go outside. I'll get my shoes. Okay? Unya na nakauna pagbalik na ako, ha? Okay? Promise? Okay. Wait for me, okay?
Mommy? Kung isa tayo.
Eat na? Okay. Uy, wala na ni magikaunan. Uy, ka very good. Thank you. High five, mama. High five. Oh, you can eat na. Yay. What's that? It's chocolate. Yay. What do you say to mama? Thank you. Smile ka ba? Ah! Are you happy? Yes. Di ba din na cookies, ging? That's bread. Chocolate Pamir.
Huh?
Enjoy! Okay, eat na. Thank you for sharing.